So I needed a new mask because I've been using those silly little sort of paper things and basically blowing black dust out my nose in the evenings, which I concluded was not too good for my health. So I needed to buy a new mask. The other problem was that when I put a visor on to do grinding or even welding, that because I wear glasses, they just seem to steam up all the time. So I did a bit of research on the internet and I came up with this JSP Force 8 half mask. It's a medium size, and I thought I'd give it a try. Not over expensive, so here we go. So what you do is you put it over your head, you pull the straps to fit, and then you push in click both filters in, and you breathe in, and it should actually block the filter to make sure that it is sealing around your face. And if it's not quite sealing properly, you just pull the little tags on the straps to tighten it up. I found personally that the medium fit one, not that I had a choice because it was the only size that I could find, was quite suitable for my sort of shape of face, particularly my long nose, I guess. Anyway, putting the glasses on, and yeah, they do seem to stay there, so that was a good move. So the next thing after the testing would be to go to the workshop and just see what they're like in real life. And I've decided obviously to quickly show you how to put the filters on and off. Now they are very tight fit, which is probably a good thing, meaning that they're going to make a really good seal. So you put them in, you turn them clockwise to lock them in, and they really are a tight fit, and anti-clockwise to remove them. So they're not impossible to do, but they are a bit fiddly to get the hang of, as you can see. But when they come off, they're fine, and you can just see up inside there's like a rubber flap, and that is the one-way valve. And then just put them in, line them up, and eventually it does take a bit of doing, a bit of knack. They do go into place, and then after you finish swearing, and then eventually you just twist it, click it, and away you go. Now amongst the packaging it comes with this green shield thing that seems to hold the rubber mask in its right position, and initially I thought I'd just throw it away, it's just a bit of packing. But after using the mask for a few hours and then putting it back on again, I thought perhaps I should keep it to retain the shape of the rubber. I don't know whether you should or not, but I mean that's what I'm going to do, just to keep it in shape. So I'm finally down in the workshop, and yet again I've got to put the mask on. So we're going to go through the same procedure. Sorry about that. But at least it shows you that I'm not particularly used to this mask yet, so I'm still fiddling around a little bit to get the hang of it, but soon get there, soon get it on, got my glasses on, so we're ready to actually put it to the test. So I used the mask with the shield on pretty much consistently for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and my glasses did not steam up one bit. I have to say, very pleased with the mask. Quite a good buy, I think, for the value. The only thing I don't know is how long the actual filters will last before I have to replace them. But certainly they took a good bashing. Also used it for spraying some aerosol zinc spray, which is fairly toxic, and all the time I couldn't smell any residue of the paint. or the smell of the steel in the air. So yeah, seemed to be very efficient. So, am I pleased with the mask? Yes, I am. I found them very efficient wearing glasses. You may not do, and it obviously depends on the shape of your face. But I certainly found it very good.